Hello everyone, my name is Brian and welcome to XBrainStudio. I'm a creative designer and this channel is all about design, tech, and tips to help you grow your skills as a graphic designer. If you ever wanted to learn Photoshop, branding, or UI or UX, you are in the right place. On this channel, I'll be showing you everything on how to get started with Photoshop, to creating professional designs, logos, brandings, and even UI and UX. We will also dive into creative tips, tricks, and hacks to make your design journey smoother. Before we start, download Photoshop only from Adobe.com. Sign into Creative Cloud. Look for Photoshop, click on it, and use the free trial or your subscription. After Creative Cloud installs Photoshop, open it and sign in. Then we will jump into the workspace. Alright, let's start with how to download and install Photoshop 2025 the correct way from Adobe official website. First, open your browser and then at the top here where you see the search bar, type or search Photoshop Creative Cloud, or you can also search for Adobe.com. Let's search Adobe.com. Look for the second link below here. You could see Adobe. This is their icon, their logo. Click on it. Before you will use Adobe's free trial, please log in or create a new account or create an account. If you don't have an account, please create an account. If you have an account too, go ahead and log in or sign in. In this case, I have my account, but I have not logged in or signed in. So I'll go ahead and sign in. So let me walk you through the create an account session. I won't go in depth, but let me walk you through how the create an account is. You click on the create an account and over here, you add your email and then your password. It's as simple as it is. You click on the continue and then follow the prompt, the steps that comes in, and then make sure you fill it correctly, and then your account will be created. When your account is created, come back and then click on sign in, and then now enter the email that you used to create an account and the password. So for instance, I have already created an account and I'm going to use my account to log in. Alright, so enter your password. Use the password you used to create the account for the first time. When you are done, click on continue button. This is my account. When I click on it, it's going to show me my profile account, my name, and also my email. If you don't see anything here, meaning that your account has not been logged in, so please do log in, and then you are going to see your name and also your email that you used to create the account for the first time. In this case, we will look for Photoshop. You can also search Photoshop here. So you could see, yeah, apps, they have the Photoshop for desktop, Photoshop web, and then Photoshop for mobile. I have already added Photoshop, so I will go ahead and also install it. I'll start my download. Then the folder is downloaded or the setup is downloaded. So I can either close or move to the app folder. But let me walk you through let me walk you through the process where when you download the Photoshop, the setup, and for instance, I am using IDM download. Let me close this and then okay, so you go to download and then you're going to see Photoshop setup over here. So double click on it. And then click on continue. Start installing. So click on start installing. Then you could install the Creative Cloud. Downloading and installing Creative Cloud desktop service. This is really important because it's going to help you to manage your apps, your application that you've installed from Adobe.com. And then after us, Photoshop will be the next to install. After installing Creative Cloud Desktop and Photoshop, move to the search bar over here and type Adobe Creative Cloud. So all you need to do is just to open it. Okay, this is the Creative Cloud Desktop application. This is where you are going to be seeing all the Adobe softwares that you download. We downloaded Photoshop to the apps. And over here, there are a lot of softwares here that you can try for free. You can also buy them. Photoshop is installed. After the Creative Cloud Desktop was installed, Photoshop was the next to install. Now it is already installed. So now you can open it. So this is 2025 Photoshop installed. And this is what we'll be using for our next tutorials, designing our first poster design. Whether you are using 2021 or you are using the 2025 Photoshop, you can still join or you can still learn from me. Whatever we'll be teaching here is the same interface that you've been seeing in the 2025 and also in the 2021. That's a quick introduction to Photoshop for beginners. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your first poster design. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorials. Thank you for watching the video.